Hi there, I'm John Shields of Chesapeake Bites and our common table, and it's raining. We're at the farmer's market and it's raining. But you know what? There's no excuse for you not to get to the market year round. I want you to be a fair weather shopper. Farmers make it, we can make it. So we were thinking, it's springtime, right? And there's so many wonderful things we can get right at the farmer's market to make springtime desserts. So I know it sounds a little crazy, but what we decided to do is go around, do some shopping, and make desserts that you can make right here if you had to at the farmer's market. No muss, no fuss. So we were thinking, all right, what's seasonal right now? Strawberries. We're right in prime strawberry season. They're some of the best things. They're also known as one of the spring tonics. You know, rhubarb is, strawberries are, and so many of our vendors around here grow amazing strawberries. We went today to Bartenfelder Farm to get our strawberries. And so here we're going to go with a cheesecake that we can get right at the farmer's market from Pam at Charlottetown Farm. She makes some of the best goat cheesecake in the world. In fact, I serve it at my restaurant. It's that good. So anyway, we're gonna do that. And I thought, well, what are we gonna put on top of it? Well, we got the strawberries. So we're gonna make kind of like a strawberry compote with a sweet balsamic vinegar for a topping. All right, this is how easy this is to do. So first, if you can see here, I'm going to hull. That would be H-U-L-L, the strawberries, because you want to get the whole core out of the strawberry when you're doing it. You could slice it like that, but if I was watching you, I may correct you or actually get grouchy. I am a big proponent of hulling. That's a verb at that point. Okay, here we go. Real quick. Little bit of hulling around the holidays, even though it's not the holiday yet. Oh, you hear the rain? Oh, it's coming down. But you know, our farmers, they brave any kind of weather. All right, so we're gonna do a quick slice. I'm not gonna dice these. I think this will look really nice if we slice them like this. So we'll just slice our strawberries. And I hope that you always bring your culinary utensils with you when you go shopping at the farmer's market so you could make something. You know, Maryland and the Chesapeake have some of the most fertile growing regions in the country. And just because of the climate, the soil, all the moist air that comes in, you get sweetness that you don't get anywhere else in the world. Okay, here we go, a little bit more. Okay, I think we have a lovely little bowl of strawberries here. So we got this vinegar from Dimitru of Dimitru Farms, who are right here. It's almost local olive oil. And I might add, there was a world olive oil competition just happened all over the world, one of the biggest ones. Dimitru Olive Oil got the silver prize, got a silver prize. Okay, so I'm gonna put, ooh, look at this, just a drizzle. I mean, when you make a balsamic, that vinegar is reduced, and it essentially becomes a syrup. So it's very sweet. Now, you could probably, if you felt like it, put just a tiny bit of granulated sugar in there. You could, but I don't think it's necessary. So here we got it. They're lightly coated with that. Then, when I was walking in the market, got some beautiful mint. Again, you can't smell it, but it's unbelievable. So I took a little mint, and a bit, beep, 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 like so. I'll take just the tiniest taste. Oh, perfect. Okay, so there we go. Now, Here we go, Charlottetown. Pam makes her cheesecake every week. Comes in perfect slices. You need a hot knife to slice it. And if you have a hot knife, it'll slice very well. So I'm just gonna take it out of there. We're gonna put it right on there. And lovingly top this with some strawberries. They're balsamic all around. You could use these strawberries with the balsamic vinegar on all kinds of different things. You know, you could even, if you put a little less on there, you could use it with some grilled chicken, even a fish, a piece of grilled fish on the side. So there's so much you can do with everything that we have at the farmer's market. So I think I've just shown you that you can come to the farmer's market, stop by, see Pam at Charlottetown, get that, get some strawberries, get some mint, throw it all together, and voila. We have a springtime dessert from the 32nd Street Farmer's Market made right here. So I want you to get out. You know what do I always tell you? Get ye to the farmer's market. So that's the first thing you need to do. Get up in the morning, get ye to the farmer's market, right? And by doing that, I say this over and over again, every time you take your wallet out and you purchase something from any of our vendors, any of our farmers, you're keeping that money in the local food economy and you're getting some of the best food in the world. So get out there, keep shopping. Once again, greetings from our common table and Chesapeake Bites.